Before we start, I will want you to hit that red subscribe button to help our channel grow. Also smash the like button as well. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. Stocks are an investment in a company and that company's profits. Investors buy stock to earn a return on their investment. Stocks are all of the shares into which ownership of the corporation is divided. A single share of the stock represents the fractional ownership of the corporation in proportion to the total number of shares. Stock can be bought and sold privately on stock exchange, and such transactions are typically heavily regulated by governments to prevent fraud, protect investors, and benefit the larger economy. Here are the 5 best utility stocks to be bought in the year 2020 according to the experts. With a pinch of luck, will be discussed in this video. Number 1. American Electric Power, AEP. Market value, $38 billion. Considered one of the industry's heavyweights, American Electric Power, AEP, is a massive electric utility company that delivers electricity to more than 5 million customers across 11 states. Over the past 5 months, AEP stock has been recovering from a dip, but is up a whopping 20% from its year-ago price. The business right now is doing pretty well, as robust economic strength in the company's core markets has boosted the business. Overall sales and earnings are both trending higher at a healthy rate. Number 2. Algonquin Power and Utilities, AQN. Market value, $7.5 billion. Toronto-based Algonquin Power and Utilities held its 2019 Investor Day in early December, and the company had plenty of good news to discuss across meetings in both Toronto and New York. As the utility stock heads into the next decade of growth, management was keen to discuss its plans for greening its regulated business, its pursuit of renewable energy projects, and the simplification of its overall business. To that end, Algonquin plans to spend $9.2 billion over the next 5 years. Roughly $2.5 billion of its capital expenditures will be directed toward renewable energy. That arm of AQN's business currently has 3 gigawatts in generating capacity, 79% from wind and the rest coming from solar, hydro, and thermal. Algonquin also is finding mergers and acquisitions (M&A) opportunities that can help it grow on a sustainable basis. In 2019, it closed on acquisitions of St. Lawrence Gas and New Brunswick Gas, both purchased from Enbridge, ENB. Since 2009, AQN has acquired 25 regulated utilities as part of its long-term growth plan. Number 3. American Waterworks. Market value, $21.7 billion. The history of American Waterworks dates all the way back to 1886, when it was founded as the American Waterworks and Guarantee Company. The modern-day stock is much newer, however. It went public on April 23, 2008. When it was spun off from Germany's RWE Group, American Waterworks owns regulated and market-based water utilities in 46 states and 1 Canadian province, providing services to more than 40 million people. Through 2023, American Waterworks expects to grow its earnings by 7% to 10% annually, with 5 to 7 percentage points of that growth from its capital spending plan for its regulated businesses. It will spend approximately $1.7 billion annually over the next 4 years. It's also expanding its customer base in multiple ways. By the end of October, AWK had closed on acquisitions that had added 46,900 new customers in 2019 and had other acquisitions in a process that will add 26,400 more. It also had added 10,400 customers organically through October 2019. Number 4. Aqua. Market value, $10 billion. Water-related utility stocks such as Aqua America are benefiting from the growth in ESG, environmental, social, and corporate governance investing, which pushed up the stock prices of U.S. water utilities in 2019. The combined entity would have a rate base of $7.2 billion, 69% water, 31% natural gas, with customers in 11 states including Aqua America's home state of Pennsylvania. Together, it would serve more than 1.7 million customers and have an enterprise value of $13.4 billion. Analysts expect WTR to report 5 to 6% profit growth for both full year 2019 and 2020. Meanwhile, Aqua America increased its dividend by 7% at the beginning of September and has improved it by 7.3% annually over the past half-decade. Number 5. Duke Energy. Market value $22.4 billion. Next up is electric power and gas utility giant Duke Energy. Much like other names on the list, Duke's operations are stable and healthy. That said, Duke stock was up more than 7% in 2019 with a dividend yield north of 4%. The business remains fine, mostly thanks to favorable weather and strengthening economic conditions. And Duke's revenues and earnings have been trending consistently higher at a slow and stable rate. This level of growth should persist for the next several years as economic conditions remain solid. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.